by now, you probably found yourselves at this point and you're wondering what you can do next with your quarantine instead of this, because eventually this starts to hurt just as much as staying at home. So what else is there, you ask? Let's go see. She's a nice, beautiful piece of wood right here, isn't she? She's got like all these extra stems growing out of her. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to drill her. You want to drill her 3 holes. 1, 2. You want to put 2 right next to each other. And then you want to have the 3rd hole like kind of up at the opposite end of the subject's body. So there we have 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now that we got our 3 holes in, we're going to move on to step 2. We're going to nail her in those 3 holes, right? We got 1, 2, nail her, nail her, nail her, and 3, right? Look at that. And it's even in a perfect line. I mean, like all 3 holes line up on the subject body in a perfect fashion. So now you can screw her and nail her and screw her and nail her. When you're all done, you want to clean her off and then maybe pound her again. You can also work on some ASMR stuff. And screwing and nailing and screwing and nailing and screwing. It's so much fun, and then you could just pound off all the way around them in a circle. ASMR. I find digging for worms passes the time with amazing peace and tranquility. Look at that. Put the worms in the bucket. It's going for my ear. It's going for my ear. Remember in Star Trek 2 when it tried to fuck up Spock? And screw her. And nail her. Oh, yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, from surviving quarantine in 2020, Maisie's Day, you know I love you all. It's 2020, the year of the vision. Love you all, today, tomorrow, and forever. Peace.